Hello everyone. Are you getting the Steam API DLL missing error when launching a game? In this video, I'll show you safe ways to fix this problem. This error usually appears when a game file is missing, corrupted, or was removed by security software. You may find websites offering Steam_API64.dll for download. But I don't recommend downloading DLL files from random websites. The file could be modified, outdated, or unsafe. You also shouldn't copy random DLL files into System32 or Syswa64. Instead, let Steam restore the correct files. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Find the game showing the error. Right-click on the game. Select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now check all the game files. If a file is missing or corrupted, Steam should download the correct version automatically. Wait until the verification is complete. Then close the Properties window. Launch the game again. If the error is gone, you're done. If you're still getting the error, check your antivirus or Windows Security Quarantine. Go to Windows Search. Search for Virus and Threat Protection. Open it. Click Protection History. Look for a recent action related to your game. Sometimes security software can quarantine a legitimate game file. If you recognize the game and trust its installation, review the available options for that file. Don't completely disable your antivirus. And don't download Steam_API64.dll from random DLL websites. After restoring a legitimate file, verify the game files in Steam again. Then launch the game. If the error still appears, tell me the name of the game in the comments. I'll try my best to help. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to Guidify. Thanks for watching.